Hey guys, if you're experiencing the Roblox error message that says this experience is unavailable due to your account settings, then stick with me as in this video I'm going to be showing you how to solve the issue. Now the most common reason why you may be encountering this error is due to age restrictions on your account. So what we need to do is we need to come to the Roblox login page and log into our account. And once we've logged in, we just want to head to this gear icon in the top right hand corner and then select settings. And now I'm doing this on a desktop computer, but the same steps can be applied to mobile as well. And now from here we want to select parental controls from the left hand menu, and then we want to scroll down and make sure 17 plus is selected. Now in order to do this you'll need to have a verified email account, and you may also need to create a 4-digit PIN number. And then we can just select add. And then once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to the privacy section, and then what we want to check under account restrictions is that this setting here, account restrictions are disabled, is toggled to off, like mine is here on the screen. Now just by following these two steps, it would have resolved 99% of issues when it comes to experiencing this problem. However, if you still are experiencing issues, you can try logging in and out of your account, as well as restarting your computer. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this one. Until next time.